Do you want to learn English? Do you dream of speaking fluently, understanding movies, and connecting with people around the world? You're in the right place.
Your English journey starts here. Every great journey begins with a single step, and this is yours. Let's learn together.
Make a real decision. Learning English isn't about wishing, it's about committing. Promise yourself, I will learn English no matter what. Learn 5 to 10 new words every day. Not just memorizing them, use them. Create simple sentences. Let the words become part of your daily life. Watch English videos with subtitles. YouTube, Netflix, even TikTok. Turn on subtitles, listen, and repeat. Pause the video, read out loud, and train your ear. Use free apps. Duolingo, Cake, EWA, BBC Learning English. They make learning fun and easy. Just 10 minutes a day makes a big difference. Read simple English books. Children's stories are full of useful words and simple grammar. Start small, grow fast. Talk to yourself in English. Say things like, I'm going to cook now, or I feel tired. It helps your brain think in English, not just translate. Take online lessons. Join free courses on YouTube, Coursera, or BBC. Just a few minutes a day can change everything. Practice speaking. Find someone online. Use HelloTalk, Tandem, or Speaky. Even 5 minutes a day builds your confidence. Create a daily routine. Morning, learn new words. Afternoon, watch a short video. Evening, review or read. Consistency is the key. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Every mistake is a step forward. Speak, write, try, and learn. At first, you might feel lost. That's okay. With practice, you'll go from confused to confident. Every day is progress. Learning English is your superpower. It opens doors. It connects you with the world. You've already started. Keep going. If this helped you, don't stop here. Subscribe, like, and share this with someone who also wants to learn. Let's grow together.